Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on how a truly modern, functional, and gorgeous kitchen actually comes together. We're pulling insights directly from AmpQuartz, a highly renowned design house over in Johor, to bring you the absolute ultimate guide to kitchen cabinetry. So if you're ready to build that dream kitchen, you are totally in the right place. Let's get right into it.
So, planning a kitchen renovation? Let's be honest, that initial feeling is usually just pure overwhelm. We've all been there, right? You look at your current space, you vividly imagine the dream kitchen, but the gap between the two, it feels massive. You've got materials to choose, styles to coordinate, budgets to manage. It's literally like a giant puzzle with way too many pieces.
But don't worry, to keep things super simple, we've broken this down into 6 clear steps. First, Johor's kitchen renovation experts. Second, choosing your cabinet material. Third, the magic of melamine. Fourth, styling your dream kitchen. Fifth, countertops and beyond. And finally, why choose AmpQuartz?
Section 1. Johor's Kitchen Renovation Experts. Now, take a look at this massive number, 2,000. According to their records, AmpQuartz has served over 2,000 happy customers in Johor. I mean, in the renovation industry, numbers like that, they speak volumes about reliability. And on top of that, they've earned a stellar 4.8-star Google rating, which really just shows a rock-solid, consistent track record of customer satisfaction.
Their journey over the last decade brilliantly illustrates their deep commitment to the community. They started out in Johor Bahru back in 2015, and they've spent the last 10 years perfecting custom cabinetry. And looking ahead, they've evolved into this highly trusted name with a very modern focus on ESG, meaning they're actively prioritizing environmentally and socially responsible renovation practices. A real game changer.
Moving right along to Section 2, choosing your cabinet material.
When you're first mapping this out, you might initially weigh two really popular options. On one side, you've got the classic, highly customizable charm of wooden cabinets. You know, the ones that really emphasize that high-quality, traditional functionality. But then on the other side, there's the ultra-sleek, incredibly moisture-resistant durability of aluminum. And let me tell you, aluminum is fantastic for enduring the kind of humidity we often deal with. It's practically indestructible against moisture.
Which brings us to Section 3, the magic of melamine. Okay, so we need to talk about exactly what melamine is, because it's genuinely an engineered wood marvel. By utilizing engineered wood instead of solid timber, melamine gives you this highly cost-effective, super durable, and stylish cabinetry solution. Plus, it comes in a massive variety of versatile colors and finishes. You are definitely not boxed into just one specific look here.
Let's actually break down why it's such a top choice. First up, it's water-resistant, which totally prevents warping in humid kitchens. It's also eco-friendly, reducing our dependency on harvesting natural wood. It's incredibly durable. We're talking scratch and heat-resistant to handle your daily wear and tear. And honestly, probably the best part for your budget, it is so cost-effective. It visually simulates those expensive wood grains, but at a mere fraction of the price.
Plus, the practicality is off the charts right from day one. The installation process is super fast because the panels are lightweight, which is a huge win if you're a DIY enthusiast. You really just need to make sure your base cabinets are level for everything to operate smoothly. And for everyday life, maintaining them is as simple as a quick wipe down with a soft cloth and some mild soap. No fancy expensive cleaners required whatsoever.
All right, Section 4, styling your dream kitchen.
Now, if you are someone who loves a contemporary look, melamine is basically your new best friend. Its clean lines and sleek surfaces are absolutely perfect for a modern-style kitchen. You can go with bold colors to really make a statement, or stick to monochromatic shades for that highly streamlined, almost futuristic atmosphere.
On the flip side, maybe you prefer something a bit warmer and traditional. In that case, you can choose melamine with wood grain finishes. This instantly creates a really cozy, rustic style. It adds this earthy texture and charm that hits the nail on the head if you're going for a country-inspired or farmhouse vibe. But crucially, without the high maintenance of raw, natural wood.
And for those of us who just crave some tranquility and calm in our cooking space, the minimalist style is hugely popular right now. By embracing melamine's neutral shades and matte finishes, you get these beautiful, simple surfaces that promote an uncluttered, totally organized and fresh lifestyle. It just naturally forces the room to feel clean and open.
Moving into Section 5, countertops and beyond.
Because a kitchen isn't just cabinets, right? AmpQuartz actually pairs these beautiful cabinets with a massive variety of premium countertops. You've got access to highly durable quartz and sintered stones.
your classic marble and granite, and those innovative Compact Plus surfaces. But here's the really cool part. They are a full house design center. They can take this customized storage magic right into your living room and bedroom, with custom wardrobes, sleek TV consoles, and even tailored shoe cabinets. The whole shebang.
And finally, Section 6. Why choose AmpQuartz?
I absolutely love this philosophy, pulled straight from the source material. They say, we believe renovations should be joyful and hassle-free. They genuinely want to protect your peace of mind during what can often be a pretty stressful process. And remember, they also want to protect the environment through those sustainable ESG-focused practices we talked about. Truly a win for the homeowner and a win for the planet.
And to make it even more stress-free on your wallet, they actually offer a 0% interest installment plan for up to 24 months. I mean, that kind of financial flexibility is huge. Plus, they throw in free 3D design and free measurement services, so you literally know exactly what you're getting well before you commit to anything.
Oh, and if you act fast before September 30th, they're running these incredibly fun, limited-time bonuses. If you order any kitchen package, they're tossing in a free massager. But get this, if you invest in a whole house deal, they are literally giving away a free massage chair worth over 2,000 ringgit. Honestly, what better way to relax in your newly renovated home than sinking into a brand new massage chair?
So, with all of these structured, affordable, and incredibly stylish tools at your disposal, the real question is this. Once the dust finally settles and your pristine countertops are installed, what's going to be the very first meal you cook in your brand new dream kitchen? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and hey, happy renovating!